What's up, everybody? It's Baker Asaf. Today we're diving into how to make serious cash using AI on social media platforms. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about working smarter, not harder. We'll explore some cool methods that'll blow your mind. So buckle up, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump right in. 3. Let's kick things off with automation. It's the secret weapon for every savvy social media manager. Imagine putting your social media on autopilot while you relax. No more constant checking and updating. AI can handle scheduling posts, finding hashtags, and even replying to comments. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. No more late-night posting or stressing over engagement. You can finally get a good night's sleep knowing your social media is taken care of. There are tons of incredible AI-powered tools out there like Hootsuite and Buffer for scheduling, and Hashtagify.me for hashtags. These tools can streamline your workflow and boost your efficiency. Many of these tools offer free trials or plans, so you can test the waters before diving in. This way you can find the perfect fit for your needs without any financial commitment. Automating your tasks with AI frees up your time, reduces stress, and lets you focus on creating awesome content and connecting with your audience. Imagine all the extra time you'll have to brainstorm new ideas, engage with your followers, and grow your brand. Automation is not just a luxury, it's a game changer for anyone serious about their social media presence. Alright guys, let's talk content. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying relevant and engaging is crucial. Creating fresh, engaging content daily can feel like a hamster wheel. You're constantly running but never getting ahead. But what if I told you there's a way to generate high-quality content without lifting a finger? AI to the rescue. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps. AI-powered content generators can create catchy captions, engaging blog posts, and more. They can even help with social media posts and video scripts. These advanced algorithms produce content that's engaging, informative, and optimized for your audience, and tailored to your niche. Whether you're in tech, fashion, or food blogging, AI has got you covered. With AI-generated content, you can kiss writer's block goodbye. No more staring at a blank screen, waiting for inspiration to strike, and unlock a world of creative possibilities. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Now let's talk about turning those views into cash. It's not just about getting eyeballs on your content. It's about converting those views into tangible revenue. I'm talking about the power of targeted advertising with AI. This technology is revolutionizing the way we approach digital marketing. AI allows for laser-focused targeting, putting your message right in front of the right people. Imagine reaching potential customers who are already interested in what you offer. AI algorithms analyze data to create detailed audience profiles and target ads with pinpoint accuracy. This means your marketing efforts are more efficient and effective. AI tracks campaign performance in real time, optimizing to ensure your ads reach the most receptive audience. You can adjust strategies on the fly based on real-time data. Incorporating AI into your advertising strategy maximizes your ROI and boosts your bottom line. By leveraging AI, you can make smarter decisions, save money, and ultimately increase your profits. Let's talk about social media analytics, the key to understanding your audience and growing your online presence. AI-powered analytics tools crunch numbers, identify patterns, and provide actionable insights. They help you understand your audience demographics, track engagement metrics, and predict future trends. With AI-powered analytics, you can make data-driven decisions and optimize your strategy. It's time to ditch the spreadsheets and let AI do the heavy lifting, so you can focus on creating awesome content. Let's face it, customer service can make or break you. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant support and personalized interactions. Imagine having AI bots ready to answer FAQs, direct messages, and resolve basic issues. This frees up your time to focus on creating content and engaging with your audience. AI chatbots are constantly learning and improving, providing more accurate and helpful support over time. Embrace AI to enhance customer service and build a loyal following. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible ways AI is changing the game on social media. From automating tasks to targeting ads, AI is your secret weapon. Embrace the AI revolution to boost your earnings and grow your audience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which AI tool you're excited to try. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.